I got PlayStation 5 controller and the customer said both sticks have issue. In this video, I will try to replace both stick and I will using TMR analog stick. I have all type of sticks, but all these sticks available on our shop, but the TMR right now is the best. And this is high quality stick. If this is the first time to watch me, I fix video games and computer, so don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow. Let's start to replace both sticks. They have two screws in this side, first one here, second one here. And two screws under R1 and R2 button. And they have two screws, first one here and the second one here. Alright, let's go to the next step. They have two clips here, this one and that one. Let's take the battery. One more screw here. They have four ribbon cables. We need to open it. First one here, three and four. Alright, the board is ready to install a new sticks. And this is the first stick. First stick ready, let's go to second one. And this is the second stick. Both sticks is installed, and as you can see, it looks like perfect. So let's return all the part back and test. All ribbon cables is back. The battery also back. Let's return 4 screws. The controller is ready. It's time to test. After calibrate the stick, both stick is perfect. And gamepad tester, as you can see guys, everything look like perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.